The F-117 Nighthawk is the world's first stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin, one of the world's largest aerospace companies. The aircraft is designed to carry out airstrike missions that require a high level of secrecy and the ability to avoid radar detection. The story of the F-117 Nighthawk is a journey of technological innovation, courage, and revolution in the world of military aviation. The birth of the stealth concept. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union encouraged the development of new military technologies. One of the biggest challenges was facing the increasingly sophisticated Soviet radar systems. Radar technology can detect military aircraft from long distances, giving the enemy time to respond to airstrikes. DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, a U.S. military research agency, began looking for solutions to create aircraft that are invisible to radar. In 1975, Lockheed's Skunk Works, a secretive division of Lockheed Martin known for outstanding innovation, was awarded a contract to develop an experimental aircraft that could reduce radar reflections. Development and design, changing paradigms. The F-117 Nighthawk is based on a mathematical theory developed by Soviet physicist Pyotr Ufimtsev. Ironically, Ufimtsev's work on the theory of electromagnetic waves was openly published and ignored by the USSR, but adopted by US engineers. This theory allows designers to calculate how certain shapes can minimize radar reflections. The design of the F-117 is very unusual. Its shape looks like a crystal with sharp corners and a flat surface. It aims to break up radar waves so that reflections are minimal. However, this design created significant aerodynamic challenges. The F-117 was actually less stable in flight, but this problem was solved by a very advanced computer, fly-by-wire control system. The first prototype, known as Have Blue, first flew in 1977. Although some initial trials failed, the project was eventually successful, and the F-117 entered limited production in 1981. Stealth capability and advanced technology. The F-117 Nighthawk is equipped with several advanced features that make it a true stealth aircraft. 1. Radar-absorbing material. The aircraft is coated with a material designed to absorb radar waves, reducing detectable reflections. 2. Geometric design. Its shape is designed to break up radar waves, making it invisible. 3. Infrared signature reduction. Aircraft engines are designed so that the heat generated is minimized, reducing the infrared footprint. 4. Internal weapons. All weapons, such as smart bombs and missiles, are stored inside the body of the aircraft to reduce aerodynamic drag and improve stealth capabilities. The F-117 is also equipped with advanced avionics and navigation technology that allows pilots to carry out missions at night or in bad weather. Operational missions, from the shadows to the battlefield. It was first secretly operated by the United States Air Force in 1983. For several years, the existence of the F-117 was strictly kept secret, and even the pilots who operated it were told only a small part about their mission. The F-117 was first used in combat during the invasion of Panama in 1989. However, the most important moment in its history occurred during the Gulf War in 1991. Operation Desert Storm was the F-117's massive debut, in which it successfully destroyed important targets in Iraq with a high degree of accuracy. Its success in the Gulf War demonstrated the superiority of stealth technology. The F-117 is capable of attacking Iraqi command centers, communications facilities, and military infrastructure without being detected by enemy radar. It was even nicknamed the Black Shaba by Iraqi forces because of its mysterious presence. Weaknesses and incidents. A story that is not always perfect. Although the F-117 is a symbol of technological progress, it is not completely invulnerable. On March 27, 1999, during the Kosovo War, a unit of F-117s was shot down by Serbian air defense systems using SA-3 missiles. This incident shocked the world because it was considered impossible for a stealth aircraft to be brought down. However, analysts found that the Serbian defense managed to exploit weaknesses in the aircraft's flight patterns and relied on modified old radars. The pilot of the downed plane, Lieutenant Colonel Dale Zelko, managed to eject and was rescued by NATO forces. Retirement. End of the Nighthawk era. After more than 2 decades of service, the F-117 was officially retired in 2008. Its existence was replaced by the next generation of stealth aircraft, such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, which have more advanced and versatile capabilities. However, some F-117s remain in operational condition for training and testing. On several occasions, F-117s have been seen flying over U.S. territory, suggesting that these aircraft are still in limited use. The legacy of the F-117. Changing the face of war. The F-117 Nighthawk is more than just a fighter. This aircraft is a symbol of how technological innovation can change the rules of war. The stealth technology introduced by the F-117 is now the standard in modern military aircraft design. It also inspires a new generation of engineers and pilots to continue pushing the boundaries of technology. The F-117 may no longer be on the front lines, but its story and contribution to the history of military aviation will always be remembered. This aircraft not only managed to change the military landscape, but also proved that revolutionary ideas can overcome seemingly impossible challenges. The F-117 Nighthawk is the world's first stealth fighter operated by the United States Air Force. The aircraft is designed for covert missions, especially in precision airstrikes. Here are some of its advantages and disadvantages. The F-117 Nighthawk 1. Stealth technology. The F-117 is designed using stealth technology that makes it difficult to detect by enemy radar. Its unique design with sharp corners helps minimize radar reflections. 2. Precision strike capability. It is designed to deliver high-precision strikes using laser-guided bombs or other smart bombs, making it highly effective at destroying strategic targets. 3. Use of advanced materials. The aircraft uses radar-absorbing materials and special paints that enhance its stealth capabilities. 4th. Operational success. The F-117 proved effective in military operations such as the Gulf War, 1991, in which it played an important role in attacking the enemy's strategic infrastructure. Night operation capability. The F-171 is designed to operate primarily at night, utilizing darkness to enhance its stealth capabilities. The F-117 Nighthawk 1. Speed and maneuverability limitations. Compared to other fighter jets, the F-117 is less agile and lacks supersonic flight capabilities, making it vulnerable if detected by the enemy. 2. Dependence on special missions. The F-117 is not a multi-role aircraft. Its use is limited to precision strike missions, and it is not designed for direct air combat. 3. High operating costs, stealth technology, and maintenance of radar-absorbing materials make its operational costs prohibitive. 4th. Vulnerabilities in modern defense systems. Despite its stealth, the F-117 is vulnerable to advanced radar systems and modern defense weapons. In 1999, an F-117 was shot down by Serbian air defense systems during the Kosovo War. 5. Limited armament capacity. The aircraft could only carry 2 bombs in its internal space, making it unsuitable for missions with large armament requirements. Conclusion. The F-117 Nighthawk was a pioneer in stealth technology and became one of the symbols of innovation in military technology. However, with the development of modern defense technology, its limitations began to appear, so it was eventually replaced by newer generation aircraft such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II.